Okay, you are watching a 2-day time lapse of a spider lift, taking down a bunch of trees, and a bandit wood chipper, chipping everything up, and the cat 299D2 carrying everything around, and then we got another bandit stump grinder chewing up all the stumps. This job took about 2 days to do, um, roughly I would say 12 to 14 hours. Everything went smooth. Spiderlift makes everything easy. And Cat 299 is unstoppable. This project turned out really nice. Clean finish. We're going to come back next week, install some topsoil, some seed and straw. It's going to be real nice.